Hey guys, we just got done at Bandon Port Orford KOA, and overall it was pretty good. After spending 2 days in the sand dunes, we were ready for some rest and quiet.
Some peace and quiet, and
it was perfect.
Beautiful. And it was there was a lot of trees.
Yep. We swam in the pool. Their jacuzzi is amazing.
People were friendly. We used their showers one day.
So we didn't have, we were there for 3 nights and we didn't have full hookups. We just had power and water. So we were able to take showers there. Their showers were amazing. They were clean. My daughter took a shower in one too, and they were clean. I felt comfortable having her take a shower there. The bathrooms were clean. They have like a, what is it called? The wagons that come around.
Oh, they did like a train.
No, they have the wagon or the little.
Oh, a honey wagon.
They have a honey wagon that comes around if you guys need it. It's $30 to dump, which is a little pricey, but it's $30 to dump if you need a dump. If you're staying in one of the ones that don't have hookups.
There wasn't. I don't know how many sites they have with hookups, but.
Yeah, there weren't a lot of sites that had hookups, which kind of stinks, but it was so beautiful. It was well worth it, honestly.
It was kind of a tight park as well, but it's beautiful.
It's a small little secluded KOA, so it is a little bit tight, but there was a few rigs that were really big, and they got in there. And they had, they were towing a tow vehicle, and they were able to get in there, so I think it fits pretty decent sized rigs.
And they dried off the 101, so you're able to get right back on it.
Yep.
If you do it overnight, you can get on early in the morning.
I think it's an amazing stop if you want something in between California and Oregon. It's beautiful. It's quiet. It's a good for, you know, like if you just want to lay your head down and sleep.
They do
it's good.
Breakfast on Saturdays and Sundays, I believe. We did that one day just to try it out.
Their pancakes are good.
Sausage, eggs, a juice, coffee, or a milk was the options. And then they had a breakfast sandwich. And it was all priced pretty fairly, I thought. $12 for the breakfast plate, which was pancakes and all that stuff. But it was well worth the stay, and I think we'll end up going back. Yeah,
we would definitely go back if we needed a place to stay between Oregon and California. It's well worth it. Very fairly priced. So come along with us on our journey there and see how it is.
Like, subscribe, and show all your friends. And keep on watching.
So we ate at 2 places while we were in the Bandon Port Orford area. One was the crazy Norwegian fish and chips place, and overall it was pretty good.
It was really good. We had clam chowder.
Yep.
I had fish and chips.
The kids had burgers.
Hamburgers, and the hamburgers were phenomenal.
Good. For kids' burgers, I'm like, these are kids. They were so juicy and good.
They're pretty big.
Yeah. The kids' burgers and the clam chowder were the highlight. The fish and chips, I feel like ship out was better fish and chips, but the clam chowder was amazing. We really enjoyed it.
It was a nice. We sat outside and it was beautiful.
Yeah. It's a little bit of a wait, so we got there like almost right when they opened, and it was packed, which means it's a good place because there were a lot of people there. There
was tons of people. The inside filled up quick, and the outside was filling up fast.
Yep. Another place we ate at was the Station Restaurant, and it's like a
diner.
It's like a diner, yeah. It's like an old school diner, but the food's really good. The kids had pancakes. The pancakes are good. I had a hamburger, eggs, and potatoes, and you had
chicken fried steak.
The chicken fried steak he had was good. It's a good little stop, you know, like if you're just looking like for a quick breakfast, it was really good. And we were like craving pancakes and stuff at that point, and we really wanted just like a breakfast that we didn't have to cook at home, so it was really good.
It was nice. We also tried a shake while we were there.
A peanut butter shake. My son really wanted it. My oldest son, the 12-year-old, he really wanted it, and so we got it and shared it all, and it was really good.
It was pretty good.
So if you guys are in the Bandon, Oregon, Port Orford area, those places are pretty good to try.
We highly recommend those, and you guys go there, check them out, and just let us know how you like it. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and keep on watching.
Hey guys, so overall I think we definitely would go back after spending the 3 days there. It's just a good, like, if we were gonna go up the coast, which is probably a plan in the future because we went down this time, I think we would go back. It's a good rest stop if you want to spend a couple days there and just relax. It's very relaxing. You're like nestled in the trees. It's super secluded. I think
very quiet.
It's well worth it. The price, I think we spent like $45 to $60. It was not bad at all. And I know we didn't have hookups, but their bathrooms are phenomenal. If you have a bigger rig, it's well worth it.
And it's pretty easy to pull in. They have a dump station on your way out.
We did dump. It was a little tight squeeze, so we're going to include dumping in our video, and you guys will see. It was a little tight squeeze because they have parking right behind it, so I feel like somebody who has a bigger rig, like, you know, like a fifth wheel or even like a drivable, like a Class A, it would be a stretch to get there.
With a tow behind or something.
So we were staying right next to these people, and they were towing a vehicle, and I don't think they could make it because the way the cars were parked. That was the only bad thing, is the way they had their parking for like the employees. It was right next to the dump station, and so if somebody had like to attach their vehicle, they couldn't back in, you know what I mean? And that's probably why those people didn't dump.
It would be
hard.
Tough.
It wasn't hard for us because we don't have anything on the back, so Houston could push it a little bit farther back, and we were right there.
And we did when we dumped, and we'll include that.
That was our first dump, not at a site. So
we've never dumped anywhere but a site, and that was new to us, but we did it.
So come along on that journey, and see you guys in the next video.